Today we have our 1997 993 Turbo. It has been enthusiast maintained, cared for. It's never been a track car. And it's Porsche's first twin turbo supercar after the 959. And if you drove one side by side these days, you'd realize how one led to the other, but the 993 would actually run rings around a 959. So we're gonna take it for a ride. Alrighty guys, gals, we're just gonna take it, boom it up a little bit, and just show you what a clean, straight, original car this is. It's got an Alpine satellite navigation system, very nice sunroof, air conditioning works really well. Okay, we're at operating temperatures. Show you the clutch, brakes, gearbox. Everything feels great. We're gonna hit our curvaceous road in a little while. We're not gonna go Mach 5 in this one, although it can go Mach 5. Maybe Mach 4. But luckily she cruises. 5th gear, 6th gear. 1100 RPM, it's 22,000 miles. Okay, well, here we are, the curvaceous road. Not much you could say in these videos about 993 turbos, or for that matter many Porsches, because they're understood to be superb in every respect. Our obligatory quick rush of horsepower. 3rd gear, as you can see, she's pretty happy. I hope the next person is real happy as well.